Conjugating the verb have. All forms explained. Have, has, had, has had. From the simplest form to the past perfect, with clear rules and real-life examples. The verb have has several important forms. Form. Example. To have. I'd like to have more time. Have. I have enough time. Has. She has enough time. Had. We had enough time. Have had. I've had enough. Has had. She's had enough. Had. He'd had enough. Key idea? The form of have changes depending on the subject and tense. Infinitive to have. The infinitive form is to have. Structure. Subject plus verb plus to have plus object. Examples. I'd like to have more time. She wants to have her own business. We hope to have good weather this weekend. Remember, the infinitive always includes to visual, to plus have to have, base verb have, remove to, and you get the base verb have. It commonly appears after modal verbs such as will, can, should. Examples. I'll have time tomorrow. You can have the last slice. They should have a plan. Pattern. Will, can, should plus have. To have, remove, to have. Present simple have. Use have with. I, you, we, they. Examples. I have a dentist appointment. You have a great opportunity. We have enough snacks. They have 2 kids. Quick rule. I, you, we, they have. Present simple has. Use has with. He, she, it. Examples. She has 2 kids. He has a new car. The company has offices in 3 cities. Easy rule. He, she, it has. Everyone else have. Have I, you, we, they. Has he, she, it. Past simple had. Good news! The past simple is easy. Had equal sign all subjects. Use had with. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Examples. She had a muffin for breakfast. We had a great time. They had 3 interviews last week. No subject change. I had, she had, they had, we had. Present perfect have had. The present perfect uses have plus had. Use have had with. I, you, we, they. Examples. I've had 3 cups of coffee already. We've had enough for today. They've had this car for 10 years. Structure. Subject plus have plus had plus object. Visual. Have plus had have had. Present perfect has had. Use. Has plus had has had. With. He, she, it. Examples. She's had enough. He's had a rough morning. The team has had a strong season. Remember. I, you, we, they have had. He, she, it has had. Natural contractions. In everyday American English, contractions are very common. Instead of. I have had, I've had. She has had, she's had. He has had, he's had. Common contractions. I have a small v. You've. We've. They've. He's h a lengthened z. She's ish a lengthened z. It's. Tip. Use contractions naturally in everyday conversation. Past perfect had. Yes, had is correct. It is the past perfect form of have. Had plus had equal sign had. Structure. Subject plus had plus object. Examples. I had had a long day before the call started. She had had 3 jobs before turning 25. We had had dinner when they arrived. Important. Had is the same for every subject. Had in everyday speech. Native speakers often use a contraction. I'd had. You'd had. He'd had. She'd had. We'd had. They'd had. Example. He'd had a busy week, pronunciation lengthened he'd. That represents had. Past simple versus past perfect. These two sentences look and sound very similar. Past simple. He had a busy week. One past event or situation, past perfect. He'd had a busy week. His busy week happened before another past event. Compare. He had a busy week. He'd had a busy week before the meeting. Context tells you the difference. Visual, a simple timeline showing. Busy week meeting. Had earlier past event. Quick grammar map. The verb have. To have. Infinitive. Have. Base verb I, you, we, they. Has. Present simple he, she, it. Had. Past simple all subjects. Have had. Present perfect I, you, we, they. Has had. Present perfect he, she, it. Had. Past perfect all subjects. Quick summary. Form. Subjects. Example. To have. All. I'd like to have more time. Have. All aftermodals. I'll have time tomorrow. Have. I, you, we, they. They have 2 kids. Has. He, she, it. She has 2 kids. Had. All. She had breakfast. Have had. I, you, we, they. We've had enough. Has had. He, she, it. She's had enough. Had. All. He'd had a busy week. Your turn. Write 1 sentence for each. 1. Present simple. Use have or has. Point 2. Past simple. Use had. Point 3. Present perfect. Use have had or has had. Point 4. Bonus past perfect. Use had. Challenge. Post your sentences in the comments. Final reminder. Watch the subject, watch the tense, choose the correct form of have.